We have Molly. Molly is a Hit Toy Company model, and this is part of the lot of models we got for parts. Missing the coupling, the back coupling, and it's missing the motor. I have here a replacement motor, very good condition, excellent. So let's put it on Molly. I'm gonna add a little bit of lube. Good. This rod goes in here, wheels, then this part, front coupling, rear coupling, alright, Molly is ready. Nice to have a set, excellent. Alright, let's continue. And we have this Tomy Percy. There's corrosion in there. I think you know what we can do. Yes, we can nickel plate, but actually I'm going to clean with white vinegar first. All right, let's do a test. Yeah, it's working. It's missing the rubber rings, but it happens that I have some rubber rings here. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this too. Yeah, it's an easy fix. That's excellent. All these parts I get it from other models that are no longer working, in really bad shape, but I can use in another models. Yep. Yeah, don't be lazy. Now you can you can add some lube to the model. All right, let's continue with Percy. Don't forget the coupling. It is working great. Missing the side rods. I'm gonna get the replacement from another model. I need to do a little cleaning and detailing with oil-based marker. Oh, it does have some stress on this corner. Look at this part. Ooh, it's gone. That is looking good. I think we are done with Percy. This Percy Tomy. Also, I found the side rods and these little tabs from another model. Look, works great. Excellent. Now we might continue with the next model. Well, here is Stepney in a very raw shape. I'm gonna do some detailing, and let's see, and also missing this decal here. I can hear the motor is running, but it's not engaging. What is missing? Let's find out. I don't find any problems in a driving axle other than the rubber rings that need to be replaced. They're very solid like a rock. Look. I suspect that there is a missing part. Okay. I think I know what is wrong. See, this is not engaging. This cog should go all the way up here, and it's not moving. and this is the reason it's cracked. And as you can see, this was supposed to be up here, but since it's cracked, it's all the way down. I need a replacement. I hope this one works. This lever is broken. I have a spare part here. Motor is ready. Look at this. Yeah, they are no longer good. Okay, it works. There is a lot of tear and wear on this red coloring, so I will use oil-based marker. That is looking good. Well, at least it's better than before. That part needs a little bit of white. Look at the funnel. This part also needs a little bit of black. Good. Now here. Huge difference with a toe shop. It is not the same when I take the risk to paint it over. Well, at least it looks better. Stepney looks okay. Now it is missing one moment. Yeah. Okay, let's put a decal. I think I found them. I don't like this one. I'm gonna remove it. I think that one's also need to be replaced. I think we are done with Stepney. All right, next. Now the last items from this package. I think this Gordon is for parts. Does it work? Oh, look at that broken Gordon. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It does not work, but I can tell you we can use all this for parts, coupling, good coupling. Look at that. Yep. And also good battery terminals. Yeah, good deal. I'm happy with this purchase actually. This will be for parts. Now we have two gems. This one is Tomy. I like when I get the couplings. And this one comes with battery cover. Great. They just need a rewiring. I'm gonna do the rewiring. And actually this could be good for a custom black gems. Okay, the motor is working. That is great. Yep. Yes, it is a good USB-C cable, but I don't have a use for this, so I don't care. And here they are, red and white. I'm gonna use red and white. So here's the red. I already extracted the white one. Good size. Looking good. Right, rewired, and James is working. And I have a spare battery cover. Good. Excellent. This other model, of course, is the same process, just to rewire James. And it's missing the rubber rings. Yeah, that's completely snapped. The motor works great. Good, good, good. Excellent. Excellent. Now the last models that I got, it says Carloy. I will do this off camera. It does require a lot of work, and these are fused to the plastic. I can't get it open, so if I open it, this model is going to be for parts. But anyways, I want to see if Gordon still works. I had to give a little spin, so it is working. Can you believe this? It's working. It's just this little piece that is holding the coupling and the tender. You guys ready? Unbelievable. All right, that's it for today.